Sussman.
Well, after a mostly dry day, which was just, wasn't it great to get out? I even had the sunroof open on the way to the office here. We're going to turn wet later tonight, probably by mid-evening for many of us, and then the rain really comes down later tonight, and you might get an overnight wake-up call from heavy rain or some gusty winds because it will be breezy into tomorrow morning. Then we switch to scattered showers. We might catch a couple of sun breaks, but more than anything, the moisture decreases, and by tomorrow night, we're mainly dry around here. Another mild day around 50. Right now, it's overcast. It's 55 degrees. We're still pumping in that warm air from the southwest, and there's more where that came from. 56 was our high today in Portland. That is 5 degrees above average. And our record for this date is 60. So, we were halfway there. We were quite a ways on the way to the record. All right, we're talking about a flood watch that's been issued. It goes into effect tomorrow morning. It lasts through Sunday. Won't surprise me at all if it's extended into Monday. But by then, we might have some warnings around here. And at this point, a flood watch means flooding is possible, but not certain. I'm going to take a look at the Willamette River in a minute, and as far as the forecast there. But one thing that's helped us, at least for now, is we had a break from the rain. It's dry most places. But here comes our next round of heavy rain, already firing up in the southern part of the state. And there's a lot of rain right out here that's going to just zoom on into our skies. And we'll probably hear the heavy rain coming down overnight. So what does it all add up to? Well, up to another inch of rain by the time Friday ends, and then another inch to 2 inches possible as we look from Saturday to Tuesday. And you can see how muddy the Willamette River is. I mean, look at that. And then creeks, streams, and rivers will have to be watched very closely starting tomorrow, really, and on through the weekend as we get these successive storms, because I think there's 3 of them that really line up. Let's talk about the Willamette River, and just for argument, I'm going to use Oregon City. So this is the way the river level was before we had our snow. It's up 5 feet since then. That's right, 5 feet since we melted our snow. It's forecast to rise another few feet and end up this weekend just 1 foot below flood stage. So, I mean, there's not a lot of room for error here in the forecast, and that's why the flood watch has been issued, just to be safe, because if we get more rain than expected, things could change on us. So it's going to be very, very close. So here's what goes on as far as we go through the evening hours. The rain developing and increasing. This is mid-evening here. Here's late night tonight, dumping at the coast. Overnight tonight, dumping in the valley in southwest Washington. In the morning, still coming down, mainly rain over the Cascades. And we have showers in the valley, and those showers keep coming tomorrow. So they'll be with us for a while. And then tomorrow evening, a better chance of us finally drying out around here. But then on Saturday, here comes another all-day rain, and it's going to be heavy at times, so that's going to push the rivers up even more. Tomorrow, we will be back in the 50s again, a mainly dry evening. I think that's true for most of us west of the Cascades. Central and eastern Oregon, you're going to find mainly 50s for highs and some rain at times in the valleys. Rain to showers in the gorge, and up on Mount Hood, the snow level does drop late tomorrow to 4,500 feet. So we'll get some fresh snow tomorrow night after kind of a rainy morning up there. So flood watch in effect Friday, Saturday, and Sunday now, and lots of moisture coming in. The other thing is, we look at the end of the 7-day forecast. By the time we get to Wednesday evening, cool enough for some snowflakes to mix in, and Thursday morning, looks like maybe a mix of snow and rain, but temperatures most places staying above freezing, so no Arctic blast. Now, one thing I promised to talk about, the rivers most at risk right now, according to the River Forecast Center, those are the Siuslaw River, the McKenzie, the Marys, the Pudding, and the Willamette in the southern Willamette Valley at Harrisburg is also forecast to go at least a little bit above flood stage, and we'll have to watch the rest of them, which we will be doing over the next few days.
All right. Thank you, Bruce.